Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Yeah, today is Thursday, and right now it's 10 o'clock. On my way, I received an order. I received a shopping order, $31 for two people. I'm going to shop for two people, and it's going 6.6 miles. So let's go shop for these two people. I am done shopping. So this is A and that's B. So let's go deliver. It took me a minute. It took me a minute, y'all. But all is well. Let's go deliver. Let's go deliver our first drop off. It's only 3 minutes away. Only 3 minutes, y'all. So, oh, it's hot. I don't know why I'm wearing this thing over here. I'm hot. Very hot. Alright, let's deliver our first drop off. This is A and that's B over there. Alright, it took us 11 minutes to get to our second drop off. So let's go drop it off. Hello. Good, how are you? Just received another order, $20 for 6.8 miles. It's a shopping order, and I'm going to shop for two people. And all of the items is 19 items. So let's go in and shop this order. I'm done. This is one, and that's two. So let's put in a car. Hello, what's the passcode?
4657.
Okay. So this building has two insurance. Let me start with this way first. Let's start with here. I'm going to M. Do they have M here? M. Nope. So it must be on the other side. Let's go on the other entrance. To M. Yep, there is M. So I guess it's upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Huh. There it is. I just received $17 for 5 3.6 miles. It's a shopping order, and I'm only going to shop for 4 items, y'all. Only 4 items. So let's go shop for this order. Just received another order, $28 for 2 customer. I'm going to shop for 2 customer, and altogether they have 24 items. So I'm going over there to get a cart, because on my other insurance they didn't have no carts. So let's go grab her. Okay, I am at the first customer's house. Let's wash over. Hello. How are you? Good. I need the. Hello. Yes. Okay, our next customer. It's 9-minute drive. 9-minute drive. Let's go. You guys, this order was $17 for 3.7 miles. So I'm done shopping for this order. So we're about to go drop it off. You are such an easy shop. I just received another order, $19, going 3.8 miles. It's a shopping order, and I'm only going to shop for 1 item. Only 1 item. Okay, y'all, we have a problem. They just canceled my order. I don't know why they just canceled it, but it was a shopping order. They canceled when I'm in front of Walmart going in. So I have no idea why they canceled. So after they canceled, y'all, they gave me another order, a very good order. I took it, but it can't let me start. So I think we are having issue with the how you say it? With the Spark. Spark is having issue, y'all. Spark is really having issue because I accepted the other order, but it keeps sending on the other orders while I have that the order on my screen. So we have issue over here. Plus, the order that got canceled is still on my screen. So I have 2 orders on my screen right now. The order that got canceled and the new order that I just accepted. And right now it can't let me, the system can't let me do anything. So I guess let me wait for a few minutes. If it doesn't work, I think the system is down. So let me wait for a couple minutes, and if nothing changes, I'm just gonna go home. You guys, the system ended up being like super bad. So I'm about to take myself home right now and see you guys in my next video. So today I made 117 before I had an issue with the app. We was on 117. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share, comment. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.